Today we're going to install the new master control switch or window regulator switch for this 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and mount this on there. This is the part number from O'Reilly's. Sorry. I'm going to go ahead and climb up there. Alright, there is our pigtail. We're going to go ahead and connect it to our new switch. Alright, there it is, and go ahead and lock that down. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and slide this into its location right there. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and mount this back into place. Alright, and there it is. This takes 4 screws to bolt it down. There's 2 on top. They are 7mm screws. Here's the socket that I use, 7. And let's go ahead and put these in all 4 corners. 1, 2, and down here 3 and 4. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put this cover on there. There's the 2 little slots down at the bottom where this is going to go and slide in. Alright, there it is. Now we'll just clip those into place. This upper piece, it hooks over this lip here, just like so. Then it clips down and you're set. I already have the vehicle on because it's freaking hot. Have the AC running full blast. Turn that down, and let's go ahead and check out this switch here. This is the one that was being faulty. There it is. Sweet. Let's give them all a try. Sweet, sweet, and sweet. And it's all working. And that is how you fix that. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.